So hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking a savory meaty penny pasta, and I'll walk you through the process step by step on how to cook this simple and delicious recipe. Today will be the last day of this year. It has been a very eventful year. Thank you all for subscribing and supporting me through this process. I hope to see you more next year and many years to come. So before we begin, please hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Alright, let's cook. In a heated pan, add oil, sliced onions and fry to brown. Then fry the meat quickly on both sides. Remove all the burnt onions and reduce the oil. Add tomato paste and diced tomato and fry. We will season with garlic, curry powder and sweet chili sauce. In a pot, add some water, let it boil, adding the penny pasta, salt and cook for 11 minutes.
A few moments later.
Back to the sauce. Cut the meat into bite size. Add pasta water, then mix. Then add penny pasta and mix till the sauce is till it's completely coated. And that is it. If you have made it this far, thank you for watching. Click that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.